Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, my name is Paulina, and today I'd like to flip through my October pocket planner setup in my Filofax Domino, and this is fairly new. This is the first time that I am going to be using her. She is the red version. There is a black version, and if you're unfamiliar, the Filofax Dominos have an elastic closure instead of a snap closure. And it also has a little bevel here so that the elastic will stay in place. And this is once again a pocket planner, so also an A7 size. And for Filofax Dominos, you get two pockets, one on each side. So this is the front one, and here I have a little folder with some Kinaprint stickers that I printed out myself, some DAISO little circles, and as well as this set of sticky notes that are quite small and perfect for a pocket planner. Now the sticky notes, I got that from back home. I've had that for so long and I brought it along with me, and I'm glad that I did. So the inserts that I am using for this month, all of them are free. I haven't bought any pocket inserts, and I will be mentioning the shops as well as the accounts that I have been using and downloading from in case you are interested in getting yourself some free printable pocket inserts. So first we have this little dashboard, and it's just a clear frosted plastic. I made this myself from, let me see if I still have it. Unfortunately, I don't have it anymore, but it is from a clear cutting board for the kitchen that I got from DAISO, and it's the flimsy one, but it is working very well. You just cut it up yourself. And next, I have another dashboard that I made myself, and this is from a clear plastic A5 divider, or rather A4 divider, and it looks like this. And once again, I just cut it up using very strong scissors, and punched it, and it's working very well. So this card is another freebie, and then I have some stickers here that I just put in there's a little pocket behind it, and I layered some stickers and held it together using paper clips. So this is another one, and I really enjoyed making these. And then I have a vellum dashboard as well as a clear dashboard, or rather a white paper dashboard behind it. So this printable is from MYMINIMALPLANNER, and then behind it says Hello October. And then I have another pocket setup here. So this pocket is from Filofax, or rather, oh no, this isn't a Filofax one. I do have those, but this one is from those card holders that are quite large, and I just cut it up to match the size of my pocket planner. And here I have a sticky note, and this is a washi tape. This one is from 𝐌𝐬𝐧𝐢𝐭. It is part of last year's Native Noel collection. And then here I have some more die cuts from 𝐌𝐬𝐧𝐢𝐭. And then here I have some cards, planner cards that are freebies from PUFFINPAGESCO. So this is another clear plastic dashboard that I made off of the same A4 card holder. And then I have this. This is once again from MYMINIMALPLANNER, and this is just the 2021 calendar. And behind it, I found this on the internet, and I just printed it as a background. And then I have a fold out from PEANUTSPLANNERCO. This is a freebie from her Facebook group, and it folds out like this. And what I like about it is that it can be used for any year, and it has the dates, and you can just write whatever you'd like to keep track of. So I like that it's also divided into quarters. So this is going to be my monthly view. So this is the first one, and then I also have a month on 2 pages. And this is from 𝐌𝐢𝐧𝐢𝐬𝐭 Mira, just like I mentioned in my last video. So I just changed it up a little bit. And then I have this plastic bookmark, and I didn't cut this up. so that I could move it easily, because this is going to mark my monthly, so it's not going to be moving any time soon until probably the end of the month. So I wrote on the paper and then I put dots on top. These are clear dots, and I'll probably talk more about that when I do my plan with me in my Hobonichi weeks. And I have October, November, December on here, and then I haven't set up for the next year. That's going to be another setup. I'm not sure if I'm going to be using the exact same inserts. So I have another divider here, and actually no, this is the first divider and it says work. Now the stickers that I used here are from KIKKI.K, and then I have a vellum here that says be intentional, another freebie, and behind it I just have plain paper with a marble sticky note. I had to cut this up because it was a little too big for my pocket planner. And then under work, I have these weekly inserts again from Mira. As I mentioned in the last pocket planner video that I have, I like that it runs from Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and then Thursday through Sunday at the bottom, or rather in the middle. And then I have notes section here and priorities section here, and then I have this little blank section as well. So I like how it's sectioned, and that's why I've been using it since September, since I set up a pocket planner. And then after that, I have the schedule section, and I have a printable here. It says be humble, and it is from My Minimal Planner on Instagram, and she has a shop as well. And then I have this vellum divider at the back of that. I'm not sure why I have multiple dashboards here, but I guess I was trying to fatten up this section so that I could write on this side without the rings being a problem. This is the biggest pocket rings that I've had. The last Filofax that I had, which was the Pennybridge, only had, I think, 15 millimeters, and this one is 19, and it's really quite big, and that's great if you have lots and lots of inserts that you want to put in. But the problem that I've had with that is that I have trouble writing on this section, and I do have very tiny inserts that, like here, it's like up against the rings, so I need that space. That's why I had to place a lot of inserts on this side, just so it's easier. So next I have my schedule, as I mentioned, and I have the bookmark here, and this one I did cut up because it does move every week. And I have my COCO FUSEN sticky note here. This is so nice. I would be getting more of these later on. Now these inserts are very similar. They are also week on 2 pages, but you also get your schedule here. So what I plan to do is that tasks that do not have any time, which are, you know, not meetings, just task for myself, because I am a PhD student, so I do have tasks that do not have dates or time per se. That will go into here, and then all the meetings will go into here, so that I could just flip to this page and I know exactly how my day will look like by time. And if I'm asked if I'm available, then it's very easy for me to say that, because if I put them together in a single insert, I sometimes have trouble finding out which one is not timed, can be moved, and things like that, and which ones are like set in stone. Right, next I have personal section, but it's not really personal yet. It's still quite planning related. And this is the daily section, and I do have another one of those bookmarks that I've cut up so I can just move this without opening the rings. But I also decided to just change up my daily inserts, and this is from PEANUTSPLANNERCO as part of her freebie. Now this one does have time as well, but I'm kind of thinking I don't really have to use the time if I don't need to. Most of my weeks, or most of the days of the week, I do not have any timed events. I do have a lot of tasks. They aren't exactly timed. And then next we have fun section. Now the reason that I haven't actually, it doesn't completely match the label and the inserts don't completely match is because I don't have custom divider stickers, divider tab stickers, tab divider stickers. So I just used what was around, and this is from KIKKI.K. They are repositionable. So you have seen this vellum before because this was part of my September setup. This was in fact the dashboard for that, but I just move it here. And then at the back I have these dividers which are made from transparency film. So they are a different material. They are much thinner, and I use that because the inserts here aren't very many, but they need to be divided. So that's why I opted for much thinner material. So you can do that as well. So, but here I have my YouTube planner, and I keep changing these up, and so I'm not going to talk about it at length because I'm really not sure how my inserts for that section need to look like. And then at the very back I have my freebies tracker, which is once again from my minimal planner. And I didn't print it correctly, so I only have 2 sheets here, but I think this should be enough to cover the rest of the year. Then I have YouTube ideas, etc. And then at the back of that, so this checklist insert is from PUFFINPAGESCO. And then I have a vellum that I printed myself. Well, everything here I printed myself. And this one I found from the internet as well. This is A-line art. This is one of my favorites, and I just cut it up. And it's very easy to do. So this is one of the transparency film dividers, and there's so much reflection. And now these are from HEYPLANNERGIRL, I believe. And this is the no spend or low spend version. And then I have health, which I will not go through, but I do have, so just the horizontal month on one page. And then I have another checklist, and this is what I'm going to be using as a tracker. I track my skincare. So the self-care section is just skincare. I just don't have a skincare only divider sticker. I might order some custom made ones, but I'm still on the fence about that. Everything still works anyways. And at the back I have ideas. I have several inserts here. I have mind mapping. I haven't filled that out. I have my add to planner, movies to watch, and books to read. Then I have some notes pages at the back. This is once again from Mira. And then at the very back, so I haven't set up this pocket yet. It just has this card, and then I have a vellum, and then we have my ultimate bias, who is Moonbyul from Mamamoo. And I also have 𝐌𝐢𝐧𝐢𝐭 lenticular, which is so nice. This goes so well with this planner, and what I plan to do is to put the stickers from her as freebie from her album onto here, and I might make that in a separate video instead. And so this is her lenticular. Okay, so this page lifter is from the A4 card sleeve that I've cut up, and this little pocket is from DAISO. You get a pack of 9, and it comes with its adhesive, and all you need to do is to just put the adhesive in the pocket and put the pocket in wherever you want to put it. Over here I have a few things. I have my inbox, which I still need to transfer. That's why I have it there. I have the COCO FUSEN, and I have this thick card from KIKKI.K. And I also put all these really chunky things on the back pocket so that the inserts themselves would rise up. So the inserts itself would rise up, and I will be able to write on here pretty well. So that's the one thing. Word of advice, if you do have a pocket planner and you have problems with the rings, you can do two things. First is the one that I did. I fattened up either side with either inserts or putting things in the pocket, putting chunky things in here so that the pages will rise above, well, not above, but up higher towards the middle of the rings, because that will make it so easy to write on. And second is to cut up the pages and then write on it outside of the planner and just put it back. I've considered that, but that's not my favorite thing to do. I think that's a little too cumbersome for an everyday use. And that is my October setup. You don't actually need to get or buy a pocket planner if you're just trying it out. Maybe if you're like really sold with the idea of pocket planners, then buying the nicer ones would be a nice investment, because you'll be getting a lot of wear out of your purchase. This planner is under $40. That's why I got it, because it was on sale. You know how we are. Things are on sale. Clearly we need it. But before I got this, I was already using first the Filofax Pennybridge, which is still the love of my life in terms of pocket planner. But I also made my own planner here, and this is not set up at all. But, well, it was set up, and then I moved everything onto here so I could take my domino around instead. So I may be moving into that in November, and I will definitely make a video about it so that you guys can do it as well. But for today, that is all that I have for you, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!